Good afternoon, sir. Interview. Interview is the context of a criminal investigation, refers to the process of questioning individuals who have a voluntarily come forward to provide their account or information related to the commission of a crime. Um, Example, eyewitnesses. In the cases where individual directly observe crime taking place, their account can be invaluable. For instance, if a robbery occurs at the convenience store and someone present at the scene witness the incident, and their testimony could provide a critical detail just as the appearance of the perpetrator, action taking during the crime, or any other relevant information that could aid in identifying and apprehending the suspect. Another example, victim statement. Victim of crime and often interview about the incident from their perspective. Next is interrogation. So interrogation is the process used by law enforcement agencies to obtain information from individuals who are suspected of committing a crime. One common example of interrogation is the Reid technique. Focus on the physiological manipulation to elicit confession. It involves a structured approach that includes both non-accusatory and accusatory pieces. Another example is the PACE model, which stands for planning and preparation, engage the explain, account, closure, and evaluation. This model is commonly used in the United Kingdom and focuses on building rapport with the suspect through open-ended questions and active listening. The goal is to create an environment where the suspect feel comfortable enough to provide a detailed account of their involvement or lack thereof in the crime. Next is the instrumentation. Instrumentation is the criminal investigation, and the fiction refers to the use for a various instrument or tools from the field or police sciences to gather evidence, analyze crime scene, and aid in the identification and apprehension of criminals. And their instruments play a crucial role in modern forensic investigation, helping enforcement agencies solve crime and bring perpetrators to justice. Example of instrumentation: forensic science tools. Forensic science encompasses a wide range or discipline that contribute to criminal investigation. Fingerprint. Fingerprinting analysis is the fundamental technique used for identifying individuals. Automated fingerprint identification system are used to compare fingerprint found at a crime scene with those in the databases, aiding in suspect identification. Another example, crime scene investigation tools. Crime scene investigation tools. Investigators rely on a variety of tools to document, collect, and preserve evidence at a crime scene. Cameras, digital cameras are video recorders and are used to capture detailed images and videos of crime scene, ensuring accurate documentation of evidence before it is disturbed or removed. And that's all.